I am Mr. Gant, Project Management. Lesson number 25, Creating Relationships, Workshop. Objective: students will learn how to create relationships using all the methods discussed in Lesson 23 and 24. Welcome to our class exercise. Let's continue with our school project. We will try to use the different ways to add relationships as discussed. Last column is the predecessor relationship, which includes the activity ID, relationship type, and lag value. Let's have a look how it works in P6. Let's create all the logic links in this project using the different methods discussed in lesson number 23 and 24. Let's start move and clearing. Link it graphically with A1000 with a start to start and 0 lag. Next is procurement and delivery of materials. Link it with A1020 with a start to start and 0 lag. Next is layout excavation of footing and wall footing. Link it with A1020 with a finish to start and 0 lag. Now, add tables, chairs, and desks. Link it using Activity Network View with A1020 with a finish to start and 0 lag, and A1040 with a finish to start and 0 lag. Next is concreting of footing and wall footing. Link it with A1060 with a finish to start and 0 lag. Next is fabrication of doors, jambs, jalousies, and trusses. Link it using with A1040 with a finish to start and 0 lag, and A1080 with a finish to start and 0 lag. Now, installation of rebars and forms, pouring of columns and beams. Link it using the activity details with A1100 with a finish to start and 0 lag. Next is backfilling of footing, wall footing, and flooring. Link it with A1100 with a finish to start and -4 lag, and A1140 with finish to start and 0 lag. Next is installation of doors, windows, and trusses. Link it with A1100 with a finish to start and 0 lag, and A1120 with finish to start and 0 lag, and A1140 with finish to start and 0 lag. Now, roofing, gutter and downspout. Link it using the link activity with A1180 with a finish to start and 0 lag. Next is plastering. Link it with A1100 with a finish to start and 0 lag, and A1140 with finish to start and 0 lag. Install of rebars and forms. Pouring of floor slab. Link it, using the toolbar icon, with A1160, with a finish to start, and 0 lag, and A1200, with a finish to start, and 0 lag. Next is painting and finishing. Link it, with A1200, with a finish to start, and 0 lag, and A1220, with finish to start, and 2 days lag, and A1240, with finish to start, with 0 lag. Now, move out. Link it using the columns, with A1260, with a finish to start, and 0 lag. Lastly, project finish. Link it, with A1280, with a finish to finish, and 0 lag. Let's schedule, or press F9. This concludes our lesson. Thank you very much.